What is up, everybody? Today, we're going to be talking about Justin Barcia going to GasGas. But first, let's be honest about this here. If you're looking, I'm going to put the picture up here, 77% not subscribed. 77%. So, if you're really cool, you'll click that subscribe button, you'll click the like button, and you'll comment down below, and let's get into the show. But anyways, obviously this has been something that came out a couple days ago, or probably a week ago now, whatever it was. But obviously, if you follow motocross, supercross, whatever you want to call it, any of the above, you'll know that Justin Barcia now rides for GasGas. Troy Lee Design. Yeah, why did I say Honda? TLD Gas Gas factory, whatever you want to call it. The KTM's little brother, or another one of the KTM owned companies, KTM, Husqvarna, and now GasGas are all going to be racing in the same North America, which I think is super cool. Even if it is just like another company owned by KTM, basically, that's not a bad thing to me. It's not a bad thing to me when you look at how well KTM has done between Ryan Dungey, all the Husqvarnas with Jason Anderson winning. Now you have Cooper Webb doing really well on the KTM. Proven track record is proven, and they're doing well. So it's really cool to me. That just means another factory team in the sport. That means more money. Obviously, losing Geico Honda and JGR Suzuki, you need that. So you're not, you definitely need more teams, more riders. Obviously, Justin Barcia is not exactly a new rider, but, doesn't matter. It's still another factory team. I hope they do really well. I'd like to see them do really well and add a second 450 ride for next year. This is just, this year is going to be strange with everyone being without a team, on a team, new teams switched around. Who knows? I think it's going to be cool. I hope to see that bike being competitive. I've always liked Justin Barcia, just from the pure fact that he's aggressive without being dirty. If you want to put it that way, yes, he will block past you. Yes, he will cut you off, but it's always from in front. It's not going to be taken out from behind. He's not going to be, cross jumping or doing anything super dangerous. It's just this is what it is. Rubbing is racing. His elbows are out, and if you want to pass him, you've got to earn it. And if he's going to pass you, well, you've got to defend. It's not just going to be one of those you can just sneak right by, don't even problem. No issue whatsoever. But I don't know. I think it's cool. I hope he does really well, because obviously, last year, he was kind of hit or miss with the Yamaha, and that could just be a feel thing. But if he's going to be the factory rider, that bike is his. Obviously, they're going to build it to the way he wants it, which is going to be cool. I don't know. I think it's probably a 1 year, maybe a 2 year contract. I don't know any of the specifics for it, but if you really want that, you can probably go look for that yourself. I don't care about how much money he's making or how long it is. That's not here for me or whatever. But yeah, comment down below. Do you think how do you think he's going to do this year in both supercross and motocross on it? Comment who you think is what's gonna happen with Honda or Suzuki. I don't know, comment what your weather is, comment your favorite taco or whatever you want, and let's have a discussion in the comments down below. Hit that like button, subscribe, comment. My socials are in the description, so you can follow me in other places for still photos and random junk that I post other places. Yeah, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.